Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 magic mirror not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to just disable mods. So some mods may interfere with the magic mirror. If you're using mods, just try disabling them one at a time to see if that fixes the problem. And to disable mods, you can use a mod manager such as Vortex or Mod Organizer too. And then next, what you can do is to update your game. So make sure that your game is up to date. The magic mirror was added in patch 3. So if you are not running the latest version of the game, it may not be working. So to update your game, you can just right click on the Baldur's Gate 3 in your Steam library and then just select properties and then go to the updates tab and make sure that that automatic updates is set to on. And then next, you can go ahead and reload your save file. So if your save file is corrupted, it may cause the Baldur's Gate 3 Magic Mirror not working problem. Just try reloading a different save file to see if that fixes the problem. So to reload your save file, just simply load the game and then just select the save file that you want to load. And then next, you can also verify the integrity of your game file. So this will check your game files for any errors and repair them if necessary. So to do this, just right click on the Baldur's Gate 3 in your Steam library again, and then just select properties and then go to the local files tab and click the verify integrity of the files. And next, what you can do is to try uninstalling and reinstalling the BG3 game. So if you have tried all of the solutions that I've told you or showed you and the magic mirror is still not working, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. So this can sometimes fix the problems with the magic mirror feature in the BG3. And then lastly, what you can do is to contact the game support team. So if you've tried all of the steps that I've mentioned and you are still having the Baldur's Gate 3 magic mirror not working issue, please contact the support team for the assistance. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.